Hot spring na private resort sa Laguna na kaya mag-accommodate ng up to 40 packs, may videoke, party lights, billiards at marami pang iba. Welcome to Casa Demetria located sa Pansol, Calamba, Laguna. Meron sila ditong dalawang private villa and each villa can accommodate up to 20 packs. So kung marami kayo, pwede nyo siyang i-rent as a whole. Ito yung kanilang swimming pool, merong adult pool at meron ding for kids. Since hot spring nga yung tubig dito sa pool, pwede nyo ipa-adjust yung temperature ng water kung ayaw nyo ng masyadong mainit. Meron din sila ditong slide for adult and kids. Then dito naman sa may pool side, meron sila ditong parang tambayan spot. Pwede kayo ditong mag-chill o kaya maglaro ng billiards and videoke. Dito naman sa taas, meron sila ditong area kung saan kayo pwedeng manood ng TV. May total of 3 bedrooms itong resort. Bawat room is good for family and barkada. This is the first bedroom. Maluwag yung kanyang bed and fully air conditioned. Yung second at third bedroom naman halos same lang. Then meron siyang private toilet and bath. Ito naman yung kanilang dining area and kitchen. Pwede kayo ditong magdala ng food at magluto. Meron na ring stove and ref. Ito yung itsura ng resort sa gabi. Marami siyang mga ilaw. Pwede kayo ditong mag-party-party. By the way, yung rates nila dito is nakadepende kung anong date kayo mag-check-in at kung ilang packs. Kung gusto nyo nga mag-book at mag-inquire, pwede kayo mag-message dito sa kanilang Facebook page. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang muna. Paalam, bye-bye, babush!